today's fast-paced workplace, HR managers play a crucial role in driving efficiency, engagement, and innovation.
With Microsoft 365 Copilot, HR professionals can automate routine tasks, enhance decision-making, and focus on what truly matters, which is people.
Let's look at some of the real-world HR use cases where Copilot teams manage talent, streamline processes. Okay, Denizam. Now, let's say the HR manager has to create an employee feedback form.
Okay.
To assess the workplace satisfaction, right? So, is Copilot going to help in this case too?
Of course, Copilot is always ready to help. So what you need to do is to ask Copilot to generate a structured feedback form with relevant questions. And that's it. Now, I'm going to show you.
Okay, let's see.
Also ensure that it abides the company policy.
Right.
Okay.
So let's take a look. Interesting.
Okay, very cool. So now it's finalizing the questions, right?
Wow, it's all there.
Yeah, so let's take a look at the question review, of course.
Wow, it says employee satisfaction feedback, and we also see, we value your feedback, please fill out the survey. Yeah. Remember to avoid including personal identifiable information.
Exactly, so there's this reminder and disclosure, of course. And take a look at the questions.
They are spot on. It says, how satisfied are you with your current role?
Exactly.
And then it says, how would you rate the communication with your team, the rapport they build with the team?
Exactly. What do you like most about working at our company?
That's great. And what improvements would you like to suggest for better work environment?
These questions will really stimulate the kind of feedback that you wanted to get from your employee.
Wow. Credits to Copilot. That's a great demo.
Now I cannot imagine how great Copilot is, though I've been using it a few times already.
Thank you, Denisa. That's a great demo.
And thanks again, Copilot.
All right.